Hello YouTube viewers, we are still together in your favorite saloon, the tutorial of Gordon. This is curtains, the lever that way, installed like this. Okay, you can be close. Here on the top to the bottom, the synchronous. Like this. Like this. The proof that I made. Like this. After that, even though it has been arranged like this, it is connected with the rope, has been made with the coordinate system. So Gordon made it like this. While watching this video, for you who want to learn how to make Gordon, please click on that playlist Tutorial Gordon. Please watch. Please learn how to gratify all of you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Then we will make the rope. This is the rope. We bring it to the left and bring it to the right. There is a hook. Then we bring it to the right. To bring it to the right, we have to use our fold like this. Pay attention to my hand for you. Okay, after that he is in line with the right side, taking the tail from the back, then tie it to the front. After that, clean it with your left hand, because the one that is cleaned is the right side. After cleaning, you will release the gourd. Okay, like this. The one that has been cleaned from the gourd, that has been made, the right side, then the left side. Do it with the same thing. Use your left hand, because it's already on the left side like this. Use your left hand, fold it like this, slowly. While watching this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video for you like this. Then just tie it to the front. Then tidy it up. For the gourd, after cleaning, you can release the gourd. Once again, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the likes button. Share this video as much as possible so that others can learn it. It's easy to use this video for you all. Salam Tutorial Gordon. Hello YouTube viewers, we are still with you in the end of your love. That is the curtain tutorial. This is the Gordon that we have installed, the Gordon that we have made neat. That is the door Gordon that is already here. When it is opened, the Gordon is neat. This is the cornice that we made, the sharp ones like this, from the top to the bottom. The price is up 380,000 per door. Then you can see the whole thing. You can send us to the area of Bengkulu. The shape is neat from the bottom to the top. We made it in a coordinate way. There is a screen, then the garden is neat like this. Thank you. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like our video. Goodbye. This is the appearance. Hello YouTube viewers, love and affection channel of curtain. This is the Gordon we have made. It is an abstract curtain. It is very good, Sultan. It is simple like this. This Gordon is thick. It is not shiny. Then this Gordon is very good, like this. You can see it's clean. Here, I'll open it from this garden. Then, from this Gordon that I made. Then this, the Gordon will be clean again. Like that. Then let it clean again. Okay, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video from the Gordon tutorial. Then we bring it to the right. For this Gordon, once again, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share. This is Gordon, neat and straight like this. Salam Tutorial Gordon. This is the episode. I love you. Hello YouTube viewers, we are still together in the path of your love. That is the tutorial of Gordon. This is curtains, which is 3 meters less width. Then this right part is 135 cm for the width. Then the height of Gordon 2 is 275 cm. You can see it here. Here what we use is a rope, 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 rope. Then the right part will be made like the left part, like that. Pay attention to my hand for you. Just be careful like this. Then tie it with a rope. Like that, tie it. While watching, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Then share this video. Okay, that's the shape that has been aligned with the rope. That's it. With the left side, oh, that's all for this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video. And don't forget to press the notification bell. This is the 6th video. Hello YouTube viewers, we are still together in the India's love story, the Gordon tutorial. This is the 2 glass board that we've installed. Then we made this part of the door on the top of the door, because when this door is opened or closed, the gourd doesn't stick to the door. Then this is the blackout gourd. Not to lose hope. While watching this video, if you want to learn how to make a garden, please click 1, the playlist tutorial. Then you can learn how to make it, how to measure it. It's already many smoke rings models like this or other design models. Then this is the door of the garden that we have installed. From bottom to top, it's straight like this. I take this video. Don't forget to click 1, subscribe and like this video. With the greeting of Gordon, and this is that result of the whole.